not too far away, somewhere we can disappear, where we'll all be safe and sound, no troubles to be found. The skies are only bright and clear. We're getting closer to